Hey everybody, Greg coming to you with another one of my bonsais. Today it's a little different. This is the Bougainvillea, and this one is kind of interesting. I went to a seminar back in February, March. We're now in August, and I kind of did an intro to bonsai class just to see what different styles of trees there were, things like that. And I got to pick this up and kind of play around with it and see how it was. So shout out to Scott over at Bucks County Bonsai for his class. He's a great teacher, really chill, down to earth. He will help you. He considers you a lifetime customer when you take one of his classes or purchase a bonsai from him. So shout out to Scott, really cool guy. So this is my Bougainvillea. I really fell in love with this and the shape of it when I picked it up. It already had this wave kind of form. Now this is a vine, but it kind of takes it has that very woody feel to it. And a lot of people bonsai these. They're really, really interesting. I will kind of give you a little tour of it, front and back, just so you can kind of see what it looks like. And the cool thing about these, you can see these pink leaves. I was actually growing this inside for a while in my grow tent, just because putting this out. Ooh, look at that little spider. Kind of see if I can zoom in on him. Disappeared. Oh, there he is. Right there. In the bottom. I had this in a tent growing for a while, and the leaves were pink, but when I brought them out here, the next set of these beautiful pink flowers, which honestly, if you research these are this pink right here is actually another leaf. The flower is inside that leaf right there. You can kind of see right there. It has about 3 flowers in each one. You can kind of see a little bit better right there. So they're little tiny white flowers in each one of those. So these little pink leaves help protect the flowers and really give it a nice color. And you can't see it from here, but these guys also do grow thorns. I have one deep inside here. This thing really blossomed out once it started warming up out here. So it's hard to see the inner workings here of the wood, but you can see how much green is on this. This whole thing, after I brought it out, it had to reacclimate to the outside. Most of the leaves died off. There's a few here that are still from the old guard from my February purchase, but once it came outside and it started blooming, you can even see here the small buds. Let's see if there's small buds here that are growing. That started happening throughout the whole thing, as you can see. So this is my Bougainvillea. I just like saying Bougainvillea, and I'm probably saying it wrong. Watch I'm saying it wrong. But he basically said, make sure that when it's outside and it's the season, to make sure it's fertilized, things like that. You can see where the old flowers were on here. But I am interested to see how this goes. The shape, I really wanted to stay with this wave shape, so I'm gonna have to figure out what to do with this guy. I probably will end up trimming him back here, and figuring out what to do with this back guy as well. I just kind of want to see it grow and build up and thicken down here at the base, which has already got a nice trunk going for it, so can't complain there. But yeah, this is my Bougainvillea. Kind of interested in it. What do you think of this? I think it's pretty. It's the only thing that I have right now that's really flowering, so it's kind of nice to see that. But let me know what you think in the comments down below. If this is something you'd like to grow, it grows very easily outside. I'll be interested to see what happens when I take it back inside for the fall here and winterize it. So yeah, let me know in the comments below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care.